Hello friends, this is Charlie and this is the second part of my how to lose belly fat program. The part 1 was an overview which was received pretty well, and in this part I would be talking about the nutrition. Like it will be more of a proper plan, and how I would proceed you will understand as I speak. So I won't be giving you a proper nutrition plan by telling you what to eat and what not to eat. There are many reasons for that. Many YouTubers have done that, like they have made proper plans for like their millions of subscribers, which I don't consider as the sanest of ideas, because there are many things which might be stopping you or which might make you ill. You might be diabetic. You might have allergy to cereals, wheat, and many other things. You might be lactose intolerant. You might have thyroid. You may have hyper or hypoglycemia. These are the things which might hinder you. Instead of dropping down your weight, you might fall ill. So no customized plans. You can make it accordingly because you guys are smart enough. I will just be telling you the path to follow. So before you follow any nutrition plan of any famous fitness athlete or YouTuber, you need to do a few tests. First is do an allergy test, like what things you are allergic to. Even there are many people who are allergic to wheat. Like those kind of carbohydrates are good, but if those people eat them, they will grow rashes and other kinds of things. So you need to do allergy test before you do follow any kind of nutrition plan. Moreover, you need to do a glucose like sugar test, thyroid test, all these kind of things you need to do before you follow any plan. So this is the first thing which I wanted to tell you. Now let's move further. I will give you a rough idea as which nutrition plan or what nutrition pathway can help you reduce belly fat easily. Like within the results are actually guaranteed to appear in 1 to 2 months. So the first part of this is to wake up early in the morning, like when you open your eyes, just as you open your eyes, like not any further, you need to have something citric, like a citrus substance like lemon water, or I would rather recommend apple cider vinegar or even amla juice. This actually helps emulsify the fat. There are fat layers within your body, and it will help you emulsify fat from every corners of your physique. So upon waking up, and this plan actually works both for men and women, and the food quantity you can all set up, and I will be, if you have doubts, you can post in the comment section asking me of what proper nutrition plan. I will ask what are your allergies are and how are you having any condition or stuff, and I will get back to you personally. So the first thing which you should do, you should take a citric substance just upon waking up. Next, you should immediately, the only time, if you are you have to eat carbohydrates, you have to eat, your mom is scolding you that you are not eating rice, if you are a female, if you are a lady, if you are going to the office and your parents are telling you eat carbs, you can't just eat eggs and go to the office. Do one thing, yes, try to have all your carbs just before you go out. Like first meal can have carbs in it, it shouldn't, or it might not, or else you will feel lethargic. So you can have carbs in the first meal of your day. Then you go out to work or your other activities, daily activities, and you can take protein all around it. You can have protein shakes, you can have chicken, you can have fish, and if you are a vegetarian, you can have soybeans in moderation, and other things just add soybeans, legumes, all these things you can have. You can have paneer, you can have tofu. All these things are protein sources for vegetarians, which these sources I will cover afterwards. There will be a separate video about the protein and carbohydrate sources. But apart from that, whole day you can have proteins, primarily a bit of fats like almonds, walnuts you can carry along. This will help you lose fat actually. And when the first meal of your day is done, have fish oils. Like I will be posting links, buy fish oil and have them. And people who are vegetarian can have flaxseed oils or even have chia seeds. Chia seeds are those substances which make you full. They have carbs, they have proteins, they have fats, healthy fats. So when you eat chia seeds, like even 10 to 20 grams of chia seeds, you tend to stay full. So that is the idea. If you want to lose fat, you need to feel full. Don't eat and become full. You need to feel full. So once you have taken all these kinds of proteins throughout the day, there comes a particular time of the day when you are leaving from your work. You might need to go walk to your home or to your paying guest PG houses, or you play some kind of sport in the evening, like before 6:30. you can take another small carb meal right before that. Suppose you're leaving the office, you need to walk a bit, take slight amounts of carbs just before you leave the office or you are looking to do any physical activity. And the next path or the last pathway is after 8 o'clock. Yes, get me right, 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. at night. Don't take any carbohydrates in. If you're seriously looking to lose fat, don't have a bit of carbs. Your dinner should comprise of chicken. You can cook it any way you want, just chicken, paneer you can have. Don't have carbs. This is my request to you. If you want to have carbs, have it in the morning or midway throughout the day when you are like going out, walking a bit, you're doing some kind of physical exertive activity. And at night, just have what I would say, no carbs. This is for people who are like doing 9 to 5 jobs, and people who are working out can also, people who work in the evening can just take carbs just before the workout and slightly after the workout, and they should like try to avoid working out after 8 so that they don't need to, shouldn't be taking carbs by that time. And if you work out late at night, you will have difficulty in sleeping because that increases your adrenaline hormone, and that is actually bad for you to sleep. You shouldn't be sleeping well if you work out late at night. So for people who work out or don't work out, male, female, the pathway is simple. Carbs early in the morning, carbs midway, no carbs after 8. Early morning, something citric or citrus. And the next step is to have green tea throughout the day. Your lunch, after your lunch, half an hour, have green tea. Your evening snack or like evening carbs, which I just told you can have before 6, before 8, anything. Just have green tea after that. And at night when you have your dinner, an hour after your dinner, have green tea. So having green tea thrice a day will help. You won't be requiring additional supplements. So apple cider vinegar, fish oil are important because they help you maintain that glow. Because when you and at Groom with Charlie, we just don't tell you to lose fat, because when people tend to lose fat, they tend to lose their shine. The people start looking kind of sick, and I don't want you to look sick because it's Groom with Charlie. We are not a fitness channel. We are a channel which wants everybody to look good. So when you want to look good, you need to have fish oils, as this will keep your hairs and your skin in a very good state. So this is what the pathway, this is what the proper nutrition pathway should be. And if you have any doubts as what a person should eat and what kind of protein sources you need, what kind of carbs you need, what other supplements you can have, you can just message in the comment section and I will reply to you personally. I can, because I don't have a lot of subscribers, I can easily reply to everybody around. So you can just message me and I will reply to each one of you personally. So this is the nutrition pathway. The next video, the part 3 of this how to lose belly fat program, will be a small workout plan. Like it's a circuit training for your abs, which will readily help you. Like you just need to do 6 to 10 minutes of ab workouts in circuits, both for men and female. I will like modulate it accordingly. It's a time-based workout, so you can follow that, and I will be posting it soon. So stay tuned for that. If you like my content, give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Until then, friends, stay healthy.